to use on-screen keys Link Opera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Assistant menu. So make sure Assistant menu button is turned on. After turn on Assistant menu button, go back to home screen and you will see this is Assistant menu button. So click on Assistant menu and click on volume icon. After click on volume icon, so you will select media or ringtone from here. After click on ringtone, so if you want to increase volume, click on this plus icon, so you will see ringtone is increased. If you want to decrease, so click on this minus icon. After click on this minus icon, you will see ringtone is decreased. So you will select vibrate, mute, sounds from here. After select sound, so click on this icon, you will select media and ringtone from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use on-screen key Link Opera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.